How do you know whether training actually worked? A training feedback form gives you a structured way to capture what trainees learned, how they felt, and what needs improvement. It can turn one session of feedback into stronger training, better teams, and clearer workforce development. A training feedback form is a structured document used after a training session, workshop, onboarding program, safety course, or professional development activity. It helps organizations understand whether employees gained useful knowledge, understood the material, and felt engaged. It is used across manufacturing, healthcare, construction, logistics, retail, hospitality, education, and corporate organizations. These forms evaluate four main areas. They look at content quality through relevance, clarity, organization, and practical usefulness. They also assess trainer performance, the learning experience, and overall satisfaction, including recommendation ratings and interest in joining future training. The form usually begins with training session information, like the title, date, trainer name, department, and location. It then covers content and trainer evaluation, learning experience and materials, and knowledge and skills improvement. It ends with suggestions, overall rating, preferred learning methods, satisfaction scores, and open comments. Paper-based feedback creates familiar problems. Collection is delayed, forms may be incomplete, paperwork can be lost, and manual data entry can introduce errors. Organizations also face poor visibility, limited reporting, inconsistent evaluation processes, and communication gaps, which is why many move to digital platforms. With eAuditor, trainees can complete forms on mobile devices immediately after training and submit ratings, comments, and supporting notes in real time. Organizations can build customizable templates based on operational goals, compliance requirements, and workforce development needs. The platform also supports evidence collection, automated reporting, corrective action tracking, multi-site dashboards, and workforce analytics. A strong training feedback form does more than collect opinions. It measures content, delivery, learning experience, and skill improvement, while giving organizations a clear path to improve future training. When that process goes digital, feedback becomes faster, more visible, and easier to act on.